Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you all doing today? I hope that your day is starting off wonderful. As you can see, I'm in my office. In a car. I've been here for a while. Took Ben to school as usual. And then I came back here and I fed the chickens and the goats and the pony. And I've trapped the turkeys. I'm really hoping that she will stay in there and she will start a nest. She's been trying, and the dogs keep getting her eggs because they're on the ground. So, she's plucked out a lot of her chest feathers, which is another indication that she's ready to set a nest. So, I've got her and Mr. T up there in the enclosure. And hopefully they will do their turkey business. Okay, so what's on the agenda here today? Well, I'm still spring cleaning. It looks like we're going to have a hotter day than yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here and get started because it's going to really heat up here in a little while, I'm sure. As far as outside, there's a lot that needs done. But right now I'm really focused on getting everything organized and more inside where it works for how we need to, operate. I was just noticing this morning how green and beautiful everything's starting to get here. And I shared a little reel that showcases that. And I have been, oh, thanks, guys. Yes, this is a Shein special right here. And I have just, I don't know, I felt like this morning I've felt a very overwhelming sense of gratitude, I guess is the word I want to use. Just grateful for my life, for God just keeping me and blessing me, and for blessing my family, and just making a way that we could live in this beautiful place with so much potential, but it's going to take some work. And in the meantime, I just have to, realize it's not going to happen overnight. That's the hardest thing, like I have the hardest time with. Trying to be patient. Let me get rid of this noise here. How long does it take to get Shein orders? I usually get mine in a couple weeks. But it's a dress, actually. It's a dress. I usually have them all within a couple weeks. So, lots of pollen right now here. You can't really see it, but my car's covered in it. The roof's covered in it. The roof on my house and carport look like it's got a green tint to it because the yellow with the dark brown, and it's making it look kind of green. Somebody laid an egg. You hear it? So, yeah. So we're doing everything. Are they true to size? Okay. Shein out clothing is kind of a you have to be careful. Always order up a size. I've learned that. Their sizing is these clothes are made in China, and um Chinese people are like generally smaller people than we are. So yes, I would definitely order up a size or two if you like it, to be loose fitting. I believe this dress is like a 4X and I'm like a 3X. So, you know. Did you lay an egg too? Where'd you lay your egg? You laid an egg? Anyway. I do, Cindy. I still love my bras. They're holding up really well. They're just good bras. Yeah, that's true too. Cummins family Cummins said, always read the reviews to see what other people have experienced from ordering that article of clothing. A lot of people upload pictures, stuff like that. And yes, Joy, you're correct. The return policy is terrible. So, when you do order, you're pretty much going to be stuck with it. So if it doesn't fit right, you're probably just going to, donate it or give it to somebody else or all that. I've only had a couple of things from Shein that absolutely did not fit at all. The biggest complaint that I have about Shein is sometimes what they show in the pictures is not, it's a version of that. It's not always exact. This was really dead on. And the material they use is like it's kind of a wash and wear situation. It's, this right here for summertime is great. It's really thin. It dries really fast if it gets wet. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But anyway, so the chicken salad, it was what I had last night for supper. And as y'all saw, I really pulled out all the stops for Anthony Bannon with the DiGiorno pizza. And some people, I haven't read the comments yet, but I'm sure there's a lot to say. And that's okay. Okay. So today, what in the world? I'm going to go get my freezer here in just a second, and I'm going to look and see what we have available. And I'm going to make some kind of dinner plan today. We had a late day yesterday. Probably going to be a late day for Anthony today. He's working about an hour and a half from home today. So, yeah. But we've got plenty to. I've just got to get creative. I know I've got some ground turkey, and of course all the beef, and there might be some chicken legs or something stuck down in there. So I'm going to go through here and pull out some meat to be defrosting in the fridge for the rest of the week, or at least for the next couple of days. So today we're going to try to do something Taco Tuesday-ish. And then on Wednesday, tomorrow, I've decided that we're going to do breakfast for supper. So, breakfast for supper is one of my favorite things. Because I don't really like breakfast early in the morning, but in the evening it's really good. My mom used to do that like every couple weeks or something. I'd come home and she'd have the whole breakfast spread, and it was really good. So my plan is homemade biscuits, because I haven't made those in a while. So we're going to do big, fluffy buttermilk biscuits. We're going to do fried apples, bacon, sausage, and a big skillet of fried taters. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. I'm going to kind of see where Anthony's working tomorrow as well, because if he's going to be really late, I don't want to feed him that big heavy breakfast and go to bed. We'll do something different, then we'll wait. But anyway, so yeah. So today is something Taco Tuesday-ish. And then breakfast for supper soon. And, yes, we're going to have gravy too. I love tomato gravy. I've also been craving macaroni and tomatoes, but I don't know if I've got the ingredients here for that. So I'm having chicken salad today because I have a giant container of it, a giant and a half container. So I'm having taco salad, and I might cut me up an apple and maybe dice me up a cucumber. I don't know. But I don't know what I'll do. I'm going to make me a plate in a little while. So, my face is really swollen. The pollen right now is crazy. And my eyes are itchy. And right here, all through here, very, very swollen. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and we'll get started on some content. Chicken is letting everybody know she's very proud of herself. Anyways, love you guys. I'll see you soon.